Have you ever wondered how ancient hunters tracked down massive sea turtles? We are about to reveal a shocking hunting technique, so effective that it was actually studied by the military. For centuries, humans have hunted sea turtles across the globe. From the massive poaching operations in Bali during the 60s and 90s to modern trafficking networks, these creatures have been targeted for their meat and shells. The method used is incredibly brutal yet efficient. Hunters often strike the turtle in a manner almost identical to hunting manatees, targeting vital areas to ensure an instant kill while keeping the meat fresh for consumption. This wasn't just local knowledge, it was documented and analyzed globally. Studies have identified nearly 43,000 turtles trafficked between 1990 and 2010, though experts believe this number is a massive underestimate of the true scale. The efficiency of these methods led to international outrage and government intervention. In Indonesia alone, the sheer extent of hunting forced the government to pass new laws to protect these ancient marine reptiles from extinction. But the brutality goes deeper. Conservationists have noted that even when turtles are found dead on shores or in garbage, the methods used to catch them leave little chance for survival once they are hauled out of the water. Today, this specific hunting technique is so renowned for its tactical precision that it was studied by military organizations looking at asymmetric warfare and tracking methods used in amphibious environments. The story of sea turtle conservation is a complex mix of ancient history, modern crime, and scientific study. What surprised you most about the military connection? Let me know in the comments below.